Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I am here with the Kroger weekly ad couponing matchups for the sale that will run from May 15th through May the 21st of 2019. Yeah, you're reading it right. There is a free Friday. I could have sworn free Friday was over, but apparently it's not. I guess it's back. So yeah, that's really encouraging news. I don't know if they're still trying to just phase it out or if they're just going to do it less. Or I don't know. I really don't know. It's really weird. But I'm happy with it, I guess. So that's really good. So yeah, but we have mega event week 2 where we have a bunch of random weekend sales. We have a lot to talk about, so let's just dive right in. First up on the front page, we have $3.99 for the watermelon, which is a phenomenal price. 99 cents a pound for tomatoes on the vine or the broccoli crowns, which is another phenomenal price. 99 cents for red, orange, or yellow bell peppers or English cucumbers. And $5.77 a pound for Angus boneless top sirloin steaks, and $1.29 a pound for the fresh pork boneless sirloin cutlets. Down here we have $1.77 when you buy 3 Lay's potato chips, 69 cents when you buy 10 Gatorade or G2, $14.99 on the White Claw Truly or Henry's, I guess that's liquor, and $5.99 when you buy 2 of the 24-pack Coke, Pepsi, or 7-Up. We've seen that cheaper, so it's kind of a bummer, but that's okay. Now, the mega event's still going buy 5, save 5. I'm not going to read out every single thing because I have an entire video up of all the participating items. So I feel like me reading it is kind of redundant when you already know what's included. If you haven't seen that video, go down in the description box below or wait till the end screen of this video or click the little line in the top right corner and you can see the participating items along with the matchups because there's nothing different on the mega sale. Now, if there is a deal, I will point it out to you, but a lot of these mega event things are just sales, and I'm not just going to sit there and read them all. The main thing I saw here, the pop chips and the Cheetos and Fritos, $1.77. Mailer coupons, if you write either pop chips and Lay's, they will send you coupons in the mail. At least they did for me, and they did for Kelsey, which if you haven't seen Kelsey's video series, you need to check that out. About writing or emailing manufacturers for coupons and results of that. Pop Chips sent me a free coupon and a 55-cent off coupon, and then Frito-Lay sent me 2 $1 offs and 2 55-cent offs. So if you emailed them, you probably get them before this mega ends. You can get a great deal. And then the Kellogg's cereal deal, that's still going on from last week. Okay, and then here, let's talk about the Friday, Saturday deals. These are really great. Kroger Butter or Simple Truth cage-free eggs, $1.99, which is a very good price. Prego is 99 cents. Again, that's a phenomenal deal. Pasta sauce under $1 is always good. $6.99 for the HomeSense bath tissue 12 mega rolls. I don't know if that's very good or not. I'm going to have to look into that and see how many rolls and everything's on the toilet paper or how many sheets. Duh, you can't have more than 1 roll at a time. But yeah, I'll have to look into that. Okay, I know this is hard to see. Like I said, this is all just repeats from last week. There's really not any changes, which is nice because it's good sales right now. So don't want them to change the prices. So check out, like I said, the participating items video. That'll be your best friend. It'll show you every single thing that's included because it's the same stuff here as the ad. So on the left, the same old liquor deal they do every week on wine. 10% off when you mix and match 6 bottles of wine. And down there's the fluff pages. It's regular price stuff. They just throw down there saying it's a good deal. Usually is what it is. Starbucks, we do have coupons for that from a previous insert you could utilize. Yeah, just not that exciting. Okay, so then we have all this stuff. $3.99 for a 2-pound thing of strawberries or 18-ounce blueberries. The strawberries are $2 right now for 2 pounds. So don't wait. Go and get those like now. Potatoes, and then here's the 4-day sale. We have the Kroger Bratzo Italian sausage, 2 for $5. The Wright bacon is $5.99. We always usually have $1 off coupons for that. Kroger 24-pack water, $1.99. It's a decent deal if you need it, but we've been getting those 32 packs for that price, so I don't know if that's so good anymore. And then 3 for $5 for kettle chips, which is a good one. Okay, we have 2 for $5 for Tombstone Pizza, $1.99 for Sabra Hummus, buy one get one free on the Simply Fruit drinks or aids, which that could actually be really good. And then, or the Kroger Freezer Pops are also buy one get one. That's good as well. And then 5 for $10 on the Pepsi 6-packs. And then down there, I even wrote what with a question mark because I couldn't believe it. Free Friday download, 1 free core hydration water, 30.4 ounce. That's nice. It's usually a bunch of random candy and stuff, so to get a nice bottle of water, I will take that. So yeah, that's all I have for now. Check out those other videos if you haven't already, and thank you so much for watching.